Our sponsor, Aaron Zambrana, is the owner of A to Z Window Screens, serving the greater Sacramento, California area. He is looking for an app that will help his techs provide quicker and more accurate quotes. Some specifics he's looking for are 1. To be able to take a picture and label the different windows and doors with the window number, total square footage, outer width of the window frame, and outer height of the window frame. 2. Provide a way to load an image from an external app. For instance, one that has been stitched together from many different images. 3. Provide a method for presenting the images associated with a job to the customer. 4. Connect to Google Photos for uploading the image. When we go to start our application, we have this custom icon that Emiliano had created for us, and we are greeted with 3 different buttons here. We could either open a job that already exists by typing in the user ID that is in the database, or we have this option here to find a job with customer email, job number. We also have new job that allows us to either enter a new customer information or find a customer by their email address. I'm going to demonstrate the edit image canvas activity. I'm going to select new job. I'm going to type in a customer email that's already in our database. We're going to find customer, and we're going to select new image. This allows us to select the orientation, the direction of which side of the house we're at. We'll put it at east, and this is the location around the house, the general location, front, back, downstairs, to give us an idea of where it's at. We'll just leave it at front. We're going to take a picture, so this sends the intent to the camera. Allows us to take the picture. If we like it, we can save it, and then this sends us to this edit image activity, which has the user ID that we saw earlier and shows the orientation we are as to the house. And we're going to select new to select where it's at. We could select where the window is, so we just click on the window after selecting new, and if we click and hold, we can drag it around to move the window, and we can select multiple windows. And then whenever we want to add labels, we just click label and then select the window we want to add a label to, and this takes us to this. The intent gives us the ability to add the width and height in inches. And the square footage, and the window number. So notice we select window number 6. So this places the information around the window, and notice that it will drag with the box, the selection box, and then we can add another label here. Now notice we selected window number 6 for this, so 6 will not display. Again, there's only one window. It needs to have a unique number, so we'll select 8 for this one. So this gives us the dimensions around this square. Now if we wanted to delete, we could select delete and then select the window we want to delete, and it will go away. One way we can open a job is we can go to open job and type in the user ID of the job. In this example, I'm going to enter one we already have in the database. So it says job found. That's the user ID we just entered. And once we have our user ID up here and we've already found a job, we can go to edit job, and it allows us to write custom notes for the customer. If we want to add a new customer, what we can do is go to new job, new customer, type in the customer's information, and then go to save customer. Now the customer is saved, and there's the job ID, and then from here we can go to new image or load an image. We could also, under new job, just type in the customer's email, find customer, and then it fills in the customer's information for us, and then we can go to create job, and now we're at a new job and we have our selections. If we want to view images that have been taken on the phone for the job, we can go to view images and cycle through them with the next and previous buttons.